Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and some good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be making some honey stewed chicken, and of course here are my ingredients that I will be using. And this is 12 chicken thighs and I cut them in two, so you can cut them in three if you wish. Here I have 2 tablespoons of chicken seasoning, then I added 1 tablespoon garlic granule, 1 tablespoon onion granule, half tablespoon Lawry's seasoned salt, and 1 tablespoon jerk seasoning. Mix that up, then bam, there we are. So here is my chicken. Of course, it has been washed thoroughly and I remove the skin. Most of the time I always remove the skin off my chicken. So I'm pouring the mix up seasoning all over it, and then of course I'm gonna rub everything together. And here I'm adding 3 tablespoons of blended seasoning. If it's not 3, it is 4. I think it's 3. I think it is 3. So go ahead and just give that a rubber dub, and then I'm adding the rest of the powder, right? The seasoning powder, the mix up seasoning powder, and give it a mix. Of course, I thought, listen, this needs some more green seasoning for sure. By the way, I will link the recipe for the green seasoning down below. So I added another tablespoon. Remember, it's a lot of chicken. As I said, 12 chicken thighs. Okay, here it is, all done. And then the next thing we're gonna do is to work on the chicken. Oh, set it aside to marinate for at least, give it 4 hours, 3 hours, something, right? But here is my pot, and I'm adding, maybe this works out to be like 2 tablespoons or so of oil. I do not like to use a lot of oil. And here I am adding 4 tablespoons of sugar. Yes, 4, and I'm allowing that to caramelize, right? That's how I'm gonna be browning my chicken. You can add browning if you wish. So here now I'm pouring all the chicken. Normally I would do it piece by piece, but I'm doing it a different way today, right? Just pour everything in there, spread it out, try to give each piece a little spot for themselves, and then yeah, when they get brown, then flip them over. So this is after a little while. As you can see, it's even starts springing its own water. You want to know why? There's a lot of chicken in the pot. So that is why already the juice starting to come forth. But yeah, I'm really trying to get the chicken nice and brown. And it's happening. It's going down. Look at beautiful. That looks good. Yes, we need it to be that or a darker color, right? But not burnt. So flip them over when they get nice and brown. And of course, if you don't want to do any of this, guess what? Just add some browning, and then all you would do is pour the chicken in the pot, stir it around, and that would be you. So yeah, this is basically all of it now. So I'm going to cover it for 10 minutes. And then this is it now after 10 minutes, and the sugar kept on, everything is coming together. That's why it looks darker. So yeah, get you a nice good brown sugar. As I said, if you want, add browning, right? Do what you need to do, because sometimes we really don't have time. We don't have time to caramelize any sugar or anything like that. Okay, so now that that is done, I mix it up, and I added 1 tablespoon of grated ginger. So I grated the ginger, just so I don't bite into any big chunk of ginger. Stir that up, right? And then after I finish doing all that, I'm gonna chop up some, what you call it, garlic, and add 2 tablespoons. So that's 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. You can use garlic paste or you chop up your own garlic, right? You don't necessarily have to do it this fine. For these things, I prefer to do it that way so I don't bite into any big chunk of anything. That's just how I like to do. So I'm pushing this aside and add some water. So I'm only adding a little bit of water. Honestly, maybe it's half cup or less. It's not a lot, right? You don't even have to add any water, to be honest. So we are gonna go ahead and cover this for 10 minutes. And here are the rest of my ingredients. So Vibes fam, I went ahead and I added 1 cup of honey. Of course, my honey is cold. So that is a nice bottle of honey that I got from Jamaica. So of course, yeah. So it's nice and cold. So that is why it looks like that, right? So yeah, go ahead and add 1 cup of honey. And of course, the honey is the star of the dish. Now I'm adding some thyme. And then I'm going to go in with some pimento powder. You can use pimento seed. And of course, we're going in with some bell peppers or sweet pepper and 1 onion. So for the bell peppers, it's half of each. So half of red, half of yellow, half of green. And I chopped up 3 stalk of scallion. So 3 of the stick of scallion them, yes, 3 of those. You can use 2 if you want, or green onion as they call it. So go ahead and just give that a mix up, shake up. And I'm adding a little bit of ketchup. That look like maybe about 1 tablespoon, right? 1 tablespoon and a piece. And we're gonna mix that up, and then we're gonna add a Scotch bonnet pepper, and I'm gonna cover this for 10 more minutes. Next, I'll be showing you I have some Irish potato and carrot that I will be adding to the dish. So cover it for 10 minutes. Here they are. Bam. So I took out the Scotch bonnet pepper because, of course, I have my littles, so I can't make it too hot. I can't make it as hot as how I would want it. So here I added the 2, I chopped up, I cut up, dice up, 2 Irish potato. So I add those and I'm giving it a mix, just trying to get them to the bottom. And then I'm going to go ahead and put in the carrot, right? So that's 1 whole carrot, and I cut those into, those cute little half circle. Yes, Vibes fam. So go ahead and add that. By the way, this part is optional. You don't have to add the Irish potato and the carrot, right? Yeah, you don't have to. So I added some black pepper, and I'm going to give that a stir, give it a little mix up, and then we're going to cover it for 10 more minutes, 8 to 10 minutes, right? And that's going to be us, going to be done, and nice, and ready for your belly, and bam, this is us. And here we are, Vibes fam. Come through. Come on a run, come all on a run, come from everywhere, north, south, east, and west. Come and check in this honey stewed chicken. Do you see flames? Cool flames. Cool all of the excitement. Yes, I'm telling you, this is so hot. You don't see my rosemary burning up. Yes, it is burning up, but I don't care. Look at my chicken. Look at my honey stew chicken. Looking so honeylicious, goodalicious, and I'm telling you, it tastes bettericious. Tastes so good. So good. I need for y'all to try this. Try this recipe. Steamy. Yes, steam. I see you come through. Good body steam. Yes, I love to steam when I cook my food. Oh, Vibes Sam, Lord. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and for cooking with me if you're cooking with me, right? But comment down below and tell me, would you try this and what would you have it with? But thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like it now, please. Comment, share, and subscribe. And go over Instagram and follow me. Thank you. God bless you, Vibes fam.